Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. So today is my second full day of classes and I'm really excited. Right now it's 7:37 and I'm going to eat my oatmeal before I go and try to catch the bus. I'm in my raincoat because it said it's gonna rain today. So, but it's also hot, so I'm wearing shorts and like a crop top. So yeah, I'm having oatmeal with almond milk from Whole Foods. Whew. Also guys, I woke up today and I was so sore. Like my back on the left side, woo, and my, what is that, right leg is cramping, like my inner thigh. Today, I have a 3-hour rehearsal with Mr. Garland, so I'm gonna be very sore tomorrow. I can already feel it. I have technique with Mr. Garland, I'm point with Miss Danielle, and supplements, then 3-hour rehearsal with Mr. Garland. I think that's it. And then we end at 6:30.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, darling, you send me, I know you do. Send me, I know you do. Send me, I know.
Hey guys, so we just had technique with Mr. Garland. Yay! I actually wasn't that windy at that class. Maybe it's the altitude from coming down from Ballet in Salt Lake City. Yeah, now we have point with Miss Danielle for an hour and then we have lunch. I'm excited. I haven't taken class with her since the year. But it's really hot in the studio. We're in studio 4 first, then we were in studio 3 for technique. Hey guys, so I went out for lunch to get my fruit bowl because it's so good. This is it before I eat it. And I didn't bring my vlog camera because it's raining outside and I didn't want it to start raining and then my vlog camera to get wet. So, but it looks so good. My mouth is watering. It has kiwis, oranges, strawberries, grapes, pineapples, Mountain Dew, and cantaloupe. We're sitting in our corner again, right by the door. Yeah. Janelle, you were just vlogging. Stop. Hey guys, so we just finished rehearsal with Mr. Garland. He ended 30 minutes early. How's rehearsal? No words.
It wasn't bad. I'll say that much.
For me, the last run we did was my feet started hurting.
It was good, like, he was in a good mood. I think
Yeah.
we're just all, like, sore.
These are the pants I want to wear with my shirt to the
So,
theater.
we're working on 2 pieces. I'm gonna say it because this vlog isn't going up till like after August 4th.
I will that for you.
Oh my gosh. Alright. So we're doing a secret like dance for Mr. Saunders because he is ballet master right now for DTH and he's going to be retiring. So it's a special performance we'll be doing on August 4th around like Lincoln Center. And so that's exciting. And I'm gonna say this because it's not going up till after August 4th. And if it does go up before, then I'll just delete this. But yeah. And then we're also working on a piece that we're performing at the end of the summer intensive. So yeah. So I'm gonna get like plantain chips from the vending machine to hold me off till I go home. And I'm gonna head on the train. Yeah. Hey guys, So in the mail, I got another package from Gaynor Minden, and instead of making a separate video, I was like, why don't I just unbox it in a vlog? So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is the box that Gaynor Minden sent me, and I'm so thankful because it's amazing. They sent me some toe wrap, and I actually was in great need of some toe tape because I ran out of mine and I didn't have time to get a new one, so I'm glad I have this. I also got some toe stabilizers, and I've never heard of these before. That's what it looks like. They're supposed to stabilize your toe, obviously. Oh, it helps stabilize the metatarsals on point to help promote correct alignment of the bunion and big toe joints. I'm actually gonna use this. Wait, this is so cool because I have some serious bunions. Like, my toe's supposed to be over here. You heard that crack? It's over there. So yeah, I also got a pull-on skirt. It is pink. It is the flounce skirt. I believe I have this skirt in white, but this material is different. It's not as like lighter, it's a little heavier, and I kind of like it. It's really cute. I want to wear it tomorrow. Watch me wear all of this stuff tomorrow. And I like that the slit in the side isn't all the way up, because sometimes that can get annoying when it like flaps up like that. So I like this. I think it's really cute, and I don't have a pink skirt, so yay. I also got a Gaynor Minden leotard. It's the ultimate cami. It's also pink. Oh, this is what it looks like. And then inside, whenever Gaynor Minden leotards have this with 2 strings on the bottom, that means you're supposed to pull it and it cinches right here for you, which is really nice. See, if I pull it, I don't know if it's showing, it like goes in. So yeah, you do that when it's on your body so you can see how much you want cinched, and I like that because you get to control the amount of cinch and where it places on your body. This is really cute. It's not a cotton leotard. I'm not sure the material, but I think it just might be nylon. But I think this is really cute, and I'm excited to wear it. If DTH Summer Intensive had a day where we could wear another color, I definitely wear this, but they don't. I also got 2 pink tights. They are in Pro Performance, light pink, and size medium. And I love Gaynor Minden tights. I'll definitely be keeping these for my auditions because that's the next time I'm wearing pink tights. And the last, oh wait, no, that is not the last thing. I also got some dancer's dots, which I'm so thankful for because I ran out at Ballet West Summer Intensive, so I'm really happy I got them. These are dancer's dots. This is the inside of them, if you guys have never seen them before. They're kind of like second skin, but pink and really cute. And then I also got some elastic and ribbon, and you know what that means. That means I got punches. So the elastic is the elastic. I also got the TLC ribbon, which that's where you put that where your Achilles is to prevent tendonitis. Because if you tie your point shoes too tight and you don't have stretchy ribbon or ribbon like that, you can cause tendonitis in your Achilles tendon. So that helps prevent that. And so I got some point shoes. This is my like order for Gaynor Minden. It's sculpted fit, 11.5 medium, 5 box, feather shank, deep vamp, low heel, and suede tips. I love suede tips. I tried them at Ballet West Summer Intensive. That's the first time I wore my suede tip point shoes, and I love them, and I'm still wearing them, and I'm really happy I have another pair right here. Those are suede tips, and it has my name in them. Thank you so much, Gaynor Minden. I love this package, and I loved everything you've done for me this year. It was an amazing opportunity to be a Gaynor Girl. And if you guys could ever become a Gaynor Girl, apply, because it is an amazing experience and I've had so much fun representing Gaynor Minden. And it's really sad because I think August is going to be my last month as a Gaynor Girl. I loved it, and the Gaynor Minden shoes has helped me so much because these were truly like the only shoes I found that like really work for my feet, so I'm really grateful. Alrighty, that was everything that was in my box. Everything I've gotten in this package was absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna try all of them out. I'm gonna try my skirt, I'm gonna use my dancer stock, I'm gonna use my toe tape, I'm gonna use my toe stabilizers, I'm gonna use my skirt, use all of that tomorrow. And you'll see it in the vlog, so yeah. And if I forget, then I'll do it the next day. It's so weird, it's quiet in this house because my mom, my brother, and I think my sister are at the dance conference for my church, and then my dad's at work, my grandmother's downstairs, I think my grandfather's downstairs too. So I am the only one upstairs. It's really nice because I get peace and quiet, and I also need to stretch. I'm gonna stretch after this because, oh my gosh, my body is so sore. Like my whole side of my left, like side of my back, it is painful. Like, ooh, I'm just so sore. My body's just, I feel like it's breaking down. It's like after 5 weeks, you're putting me through another 3 weeks of intenseness. Yes, I am. But I love the DTH Summer Intensive. I love how it's formatted this year. And I love being in advanced too. This is my first year in advanced, which is really cool. I've been in intermediate for last year and I think the year before. I don't remember, but the past 2 years I've been in intermediate 4. Now I'm in advanced, which is really exciting, and I get to do that performance as well on August 4th, which is so exciting. Yeah, it's to a Prince song because Mr. Saunders loves Prince, so, and it's a surprise dance for him, so I'm really excited. That's one thing I really love about DTH, the amazing performance opportunities we've gotten, not only in summer intensive but during the year round as well. We get amazing opportunities to perform at City Center or at the gala, which is really amazing, and I'm really thankful for all the opportunities I've gotten to perform. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. So that noise you hear is my oatmeal. I'm cooking. My bag is packed. My hair is done. My body is really sore, but I'm excited for today. I think the schedule is technique, partnering maybe, then hip hop, then 3 hours of rehearsal, I believe. I'm gonna check when I get to the studio. I'm excited. Food is almost ready, and then I'm gonna hop on the bus to go to the train to get to DTH.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling,
So do my ashy toes.
Toes aren't ashy.
Ashy toes. I think I cut them too short. Let me know in the comment section below.
My god. This is the pink skirt I was wearing from Gaynor Minden. This is what it looks like that I got, that I unboxed yesterday. We had Mr. Van Heerden for technique. And then that was a nice class with the lunch. So we had partnering with Mr. Garland and Danielle. I like partnering. We did a lot of turns. And then we did 20 turns at the end again and on the left. And I just failed at them on the left. Now I'm gonna go out to get lunch. Jasmine. I also used toe tape and dancer dots today. Hey guys, we're going into the deli. I'm getting my fruit. My lunch. Kiwi, strawberries, oranges, grapes, cantaloupe, and mountain dew. We just had hip hop.
Y'all, I hope this make us put our point shoes on.
So tired.
I'm tired. I can't.
Killed it in hip
I don't breathe when I dance. If you know anyone notices, I hyperventilate. I suffocate. And her pieces are like 6 minutes long. So
we were in studio 4. Well, we started our piece for hip hop. And then we're gonna have rehearsal with Mr. Garland for 3 hours. An hour and 30 minutes up in here, an hour and 30 minutes in Studio 3. Hey guys, so we just finished rehearsal. My feet are shriveled and not looking that cute. But yeah, so I'm going to hop on the train and go home now because the day is over. It's a long day, my muscles really hurt.